In bare metal programming, we use bitwise operators a lot, especially when it comes to writing to registers. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the popular bitwise operators and show you how they work. Alright, let's start with AND. And over here I have AND truth table, and we have A and B, so those are our inputs, and C is our output. So let's pick a number. Here's our number. This is a binary number, and we're gonna AND it, this is the symbol for AND, with this number here. And the operation will happen bitwise, meaning only top and bottom numbers will participate in each operation. So we have at the top we have 0, and bottom we have 1. So 0 and 1 according to AND truth table is going to be 0. How about here? We have 1 and 0. So that's this one here, 1 and 0, and our result will be 0. How about when A and B are, each of them are 1, so it's this case here, then our result will be 1. When they are both 0, our result is 0. Let's move to OR. Alright, we're gonna use same number, and in an embedded C, OR is this pipe symbol here. Alright, so when top is 0, bottom is 1, so 0, 1, our output will be 1. 1 and 0, output is 1. 1 and 1, output is 1. 0 and 0, output is 0. So here's our binary number after we OR these together. Let's move to XOR. XOR is kind of interesting, and we have the symbol for it. Let's use the exact same number that we used earlier. And we're gonna XOR this together. When it's 0 and 1, our output will be 1. When it's 1 and 0, our output will be 1. When it's 1 and 1, our output will be actually 0. And when it's 0 and 0, output will be 0. And here's our binary number. Let's talk about NOT. NOT is basically inverse of your first initial number. So if you start out with 1, when you apply NOT, it becomes 0. Or if you started with 0 and you apply NOT, it turns into 1. There are two more important operators that we want to talk about. These are shift left and shift right. Let's start with shift left. Let's grab our same number. What happens if we shift this number to left by 1? When you shift the whole thing to left by 1, this 0 will basically disappear. This 1 will take a place of this 0, and this 1 will take a place of this 1. And this 0 will take off the place of this 1, and since there's nothing here, 0 will be added over here. So our result will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Alright, let's take a look at shifting right. So same number, this time we're shifting it right by 1. Alright, so when we shift, this 0 will disappear. 1 will come over here. This 1 will come over here. 0 will come into place of this 1. Since there's nothing behind here, 0 will take a place of the 0. So our end result will be 0, 0, 1, 1. So if you look at shift left and shift right, you can see where our two 1s ended up after each operation. How do we use bitwise operators when programming registers? Let's say we have a register, it's RA, okay, and RA has a value of 0, 1, 1, 0, the same number that we had earlier. And let's say we want to write 1 to this part. Right now it has 0, but we want to turn it into 1, and we don't want to disturb anything else. So what do? The final result of our register A will be combination of register A, or if you remember, OR operator, with the value we want to put into that specific place. So we're gonna use 1, 0, 0, 0. So in this case, we'll basically be grabbing what the register already had, and we're ORing it with this value. When we OR, we're not disturbing other values. So this will become 0, this will become 1, 1, and then our value that we want will be placed here. So end result will be 1, 1, 1, 0. There's also shorthand to write the same code here. So we take RA, we do pipe, or equals our number. So the shorthand is same as the one above. Okay, let's do one more. This time we're going to use AND. Let's say we have register B, and register B has this value, but we want to modify register B, and we want to change this bit right here. We want to change this 1 into 0, and we're going to use AND for that. So we're going to take register B, and we're going to AND it. What number should we AND it with in order to zero out this bit? But we also want to preserve other bits. We don't want to change 0 into 1 or 1 into 0. So we could AND register B with this value right here. Let's do a calculation on the side. So we have initial value of our register B, and then we're ANDing it with this value. Here's our symbol. Let's do bitwise operation here. 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. 1 ANDed with 0 is 0. 1 ANDed with 1 is 1. 0 ANDed with 1 is 0. So our final number is this number here, 0, 1, 0, 0. And as you can see, we effectively cleared out this bit without affecting any other bit. Awesome! These are the most common bitwise operations in embedded C, and a lot of times we actually use OR and AND most of the time. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy my other video where I talk about how we write to and read from registers using bitwise operations.